Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and today I'm going to be talking cloth diapering and the basic necessities, everything you need to get started.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
I'm just going to go through everything in my opinion that you need. A couple of them are even optional, but it's kind of like the bare minimum. And the first thing is cloth diapers. I will link above and below the first video I did on cloth diapers, and I just show my whole stash. I mean, there are just so many options, and I actually have a wide variety myself, so you can look at that to get ideas. But numbers wise, I would say you need 12 to 36. 12 is the bare minimum, and it means that you would be doing diaper laundry every day. So we get that number 12 because a lot of newborns, you know, some newborns go every 2 hours. So 12 would be what you would need to get through a single day of cloth diapering. Most of us don't want to do that, but if that's your budget or you don't mind, that's all you need is 12 cloth diapers. So that's awesome. And then 36 is on the higher end. So in my opinion, you need to wash them at least every 3 days. It should be every 2 or 3 days because they kind of start to get gross and smelly, to be honest. You need to wash them. And so you can have more than 36 diapers, like that's okay, but it's not gonna save you from doing laundry. I really recommend that you wash them every 3 days. So I feel like 12 to 36 is kind of the sweet spot, and you can kind of just figure out what works for your situation. Next is the diaper pail. There are so many opinions and options and price ranges. I just like a cheapo plastic trash bag, a trash bin, like a kitchen trash bin. And I know plastic and cloth diapering might not go together so well, so you can get like a stainless steel or something a little more friendly to the environment. But I just have a, like, I don't know what the brand is. I'll try to link something below, but $10 from Target. You want like 11 to 13 gallon, I would say, and a top that swings open, or like a pedal top or a button top is nice as well. Then you need 2 wet bags. So these are what you line the garbage pail with. You don't have to use the disposable plastic garbage bags. In fact, I think that would actually be more work to use those. These are super easy. You put them in your trash can or your diaper pail, you put the diapers in, and then you take this whole thing to the laundry, turn it inside out, empty it in the laundry, and then you just throw this in the laundry as well, and you wash this with it. So it doesn't make sense to use like a real garbage bag. And these are great. There's a ton of different options. I think my brand is Planet Wise. And one side is a little shiny. That's the dirty side. And then the other side is what goes on the outside. So these are awesome. And I really don't think you need more than 2, because while this is being washed, I'll put the clean one on the diaper pail, and I don't see a reason why to get more than 2. I don't know how much they are, maybe $15 each. I'll link everything I can below. I use cloth wipes as well. It's also my opinion that it's just easier to use cloth wipes because you're already doing laundry. So I will link some good options below, but this is what I have. Some people will just like get it wet with water and wipe their baby. So that's really cheap, obviously. I like an ointment. So I buy a solution and make this little ointment. It's really easy and gentle, and it has tea tree oil and lavender essential oil. And then I like to put it in a spray bottle, and I just spray, wipe the baby, put this in the dirty pail, and go on about my life. This smells really good. You obviously need laundry detergent, and I'll probably do a whole video on how I do laundry. And this might surprise you too. I recommend Tide for cloth diapering. With James, I started with all the clean options, the green options, the hippie detergent, and it worked fine at the beginning because, you know, he was little, but the ammonia builds up in diapers, and I tried a bunch of different things, and Tide probably has a bunch of chemicals in it, but it works. And so that's kind of what I'm planning on using for baby number 2. I might try a couple different things, but I feel like Tide is the true go-to for cloth diaper detergents. If you're out and about, you'll want a small wet bag. I love these. This is super full right now. It usually wouldn't be, but it's packed for the hospital. But this will hold easily like 6 to 8 cloth diapers. And so it's good for daycare, or again, if you're just out and about. And I probably have like 5 of these. It just depends what your life is like, obviously. But these are really cool because there are 2 pockets. And in the front, you just put all your clean diapers in here for the day. And then this back one is lined with the material like this wet laundry bag. And so that's where you put all your soiled diapers. So you can kind of keep them separate and keep the smell separate. And then when you get home, you empty this out, turn this inside out, and put it in with your dirty diapers, and you wash this with everything else. So it's just super easy. Love these bags. And for out and about, I have a small plastic spray bottle with my wipe ointment. Okay, what to do about the poop is another huge topic for cloth diapering. So really quick, you don't have to do anything at the beginning if you are breastfeeding. So if your baby is only getting breast milk, whether that's from the boob or from a bottle, and they're not on any solids yet, anything, any formula, like if they're exclusively fed breast milk, you don't have to do anything. It sounds gross. I thought it was gross at first too, but breast milk poop is water soluble, so it just rinses out in the wash, and it's not a big deal. If you formula feed or when you start introducing solids, that changes a little bit, and you'll wanna get most of the poop out in the toilet before you wash the diaper. So there are 2 optional things that can really help you. I think they're both worth it. The first is a sprayer that you connect to your toilet, and you just hold the diaper on top of your toilet and kind of spray the poop in, and it's easy and really nice. And the second option that I also use sometimes are liners. So they come in this large roll, you tear one off, they're really thin, and they don't dry the baby's skin out at all, and they just catch the poop. So after you change your baby's diaper, the poop is caught in here, and these are flushable, so you just flush this down the toilet. So those 2 things are more optional. I personally use them both and liked them both. And that toilet sprayer is even nice for like when you clean your toilet, to be honest, to like spray all the soap down, and I like it. I think it's probably like $40, so it's not super cheap, but it's a good investment. So those are, in my opinion, everything you need to start cloth diapering. Let me know below if you have anything to add or if you have any questions. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to have you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. I will see you next time, and whatever your plans are today, I hope you get them done. Bye guys.
Ooh.